Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2015 Acura TLX Super Handling all-wheel drive tech package in the red metallic finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include premium LED headlamps, aluminum alloy wheels, turn signal integrated side mirrors, heated side mirrors, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power windows and door locks, power adjustable front seats, windshield wiper de-icer, lane keep assist, traction control, automatic headlamps, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, hands-free calling, hands-free audio control, heated steering wheel, steering assist, cruise control, multimedia display with navigation, Bluetooth audio and backup camera, dual zone climate control, volt power outlet, USB input, electronic gear selection, electronic parking brake, power sunroof, black leather interior, heated rear seats, all of this and much, much more. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.